Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by verifying the game build and platform. Mismatched versions often produce timeouts. Once done, reboot your router and your PC or console, then switch to wired Ethernet to reduce packet loss. Next, reproduce the timeout and record the exact error and time. Doing these steps first gives you reliable data to act on. Make sure to keep NAT type and firewall notes ready. They matter for later steps where you change ports and rules. You now address the network path. Set a static LAN IP so forwarding stays consistent, then forward the exact TCP and UDP ports the game uses. Once configured, check NAT type. Aim for open or moderate. Disable VPN and any security tools briefly to rule them out because these can add latency or block handshakes. If timeouts stop, re-enable protections and create exceptions. Keep testing after each change. Finish by syncing your client with the network. Flush DNS, renew your DHCP lease, and clear the game cache to remove stale data. Then verify official server status, and if available, switch to the nearest region to reduce latency. If timeouts persist, capture logs and packet traces, note timestamps, and contact support with those details. One key troubleshooting tip: test from a different network, mobile hotspot, to isolate home network issues before escalating to developers.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.